So interruption-based marketing is when you're sitting down to watch TV or YouTube, or you're on Facebook or Instagram, you get an ad, and it is probably likely nothing that you need at that moment unless you did a search online and now they're targeting you specifically, right? So I get this a lot. I must have bought some soap recently or something, but now I'm getting targeted for soap ads, right? And I'm not in the market for soap. I buy on Amazon. I usually buy like a 3-pack or a 6-pack, so I don't have to worry about it for the next 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 months, however long that lasts me. Well, for some reason that must have targeted me for the soap ads. And so now every time I get onto YouTube or every time I go onto Facebook or Instagram, I get targeted for these ads, and they're interrupting what I'm doing.